video. Today's we'll discuss about Fomc trade breakdown, which I take by. Let's go. Firstly, we have to identify higher time frame structure in a 1 hour time frame. We can see here is your breakout structure, and these are demand zone where we can buy. Also here that breakout structure. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Because here is zone is big, so we have to small zone here, and also here we can see clear this is your liquidity, trend line liquidity, and here is the sweep that liquidity sweep. So also let's where it here we can plan by here the also liquidity, and here is also liquidity, so we can target liquidity. Sure. So price tab and go. In the twist, here is the breakout structure to the upside, and we have to demand zone here. We can plan here buy position, and our target is also same as that trade. So we can target it here, price tab and continuation. Let's TP hit all the liquidity sweep and gives the external breakout structure. This is a simple technique. So guys, you have to understand that thing which I tell in this video. If guys remember and rewind the again, you have to show the video and apply in the live market, and you have to also backstage. You have got the best result where are this trade gives me 1 is to 11.45, and this give me 7 is to 7 RR. This is the big RR. Okay guys, thank you. If you want to learn Forex, how I trade, so guys, you have to join my class. So DM me in description. I also give you my Instagram channel, sorry, my Instagram ID. So contact and DM me for join the class. Okay guys, thank you. Like and subscribe and follow and subscribe for more trade breakdowns. Thank you guys.